Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is part 4 working on my bird diamond painting, and this will probably be the last part of this, as this will be half finished of the diamond painting. Hope you guys like, and I'll see you in my next video.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Here it is, guys. Half of it is done. This took me forever to do, and some of the beads are popping out. I don't know why, but here is half of it. I still have all of that to go. Definitely not looking forward to it. It's not my favorite painting, but I also am excited to see what it looks like finished. So some of the bird's tail is being done, which is right there. But yeah, I'm excited. Can't wait.